Hi, my name is Ryan, and I attend Harmony School of Innovation.
Hi, my name is Paul, and I also attend Harmony School of Innovation.
In this project, we will be creating a mechanism in order to liquefy sand. This is essentially creating quicksand in a controlled environment. This can be done by pumping air through PVC pipes upwards into the sand, making the sand act like a liquid.
At the beginning of this project, we had many questions, many of which were questions you're probably also asking. However, we had one specific question in mind. Can we do this? It was a very simple question. However, my partner and I have always wanted to do things just because we can, and this was our main driving factor for the project.
Why did we choose this project? For me and my partner, we took an imminent to the interest into a project like this. It just seemed cool to make a solid into a liquid and then back into a solid. At least that's what we thought at first. Once we began the project, we soon realized that that was not happening. However, even after this discovery, we didn't let it discourage us and continued with the project.
How does LiquidSand work? Well, LiquidSand is a phenomenon where saturated solids react and lose strength and stiffness in response to applied force. In the case with LiquidSand, the applied force is the air coming from the air compressor.
What is the best type of sand to use? The best type of sand to use would be a lighter sand such as silica sand or pool filter sand. Using wet sand or the same gritty sand that we used would not be recommended because the amount of applied force would not be enough to liquefy the sand.
Will different types of gases affect how this works? Well, yes, different type of gases means different type of pressures needed. A lighter gas would need more pressure per square inch than a heavier gas.
In 1922, Fritz Winkler made the first industrial application of fluidization in a reactor for coal gasification process. In 1942, the first circulating fluid bed was built for catalytic cracking of mineral oils with fluidization technology applied to metallurgic processing in the late 1940s. During this time, theoretical and experimental research improved the design of the fluidized bed. In the 1960s, VAW Lipperwerk in Lunen, Germany, implemented the first industrial bed for the combustion of coal and later of the calcinization of aluminum hydroxide.
I've been wanting to do a project like this for some time now. However, I never had the chance, until my teacher told me we had to do a PBL. I saw this as the perfect opportunity to test LiquidSand. I gathered my group, only consisting of one other student. I mean, you could hardly call this a group. We proposed the idea to my teacher. At first, he had no idea what this LiquidSand was. After explaining the science and showing a couple of videos to him, he was completely ecstatic, immediately agreeing that we should do this as our project.